Hi guys, welcome to the Millennial Cruiser channel. If you guys have come over from my main channel, thank you guys so much for your continued support, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Kaylee and I've been on YouTube for quite a long time now as the Night Owl, and that is my main channel that's still here on YouTube, so if you want to go check that out, that'll be linked below. But I created this channel for vacation, cruise, Disney, whatever content because my boyfriend Brandon and I absolutely love traveling, and we've done vacations pretty consistently every single year since we've been dating, and we just love it. We have the cruise bug. We are really addicted to cruising, and we're addicted to Disney. So yeah, I felt like I needed a place to put all this content. I go into that more on my main channel. If you want to go check out the video as to why I started this channel, go check that out. It'll be linked below. In this video, this is the first one that I'm actually making for this channel that wasn't brought over from my old channel. And I'm going to tell you guys all about our upcoming vacation and the content that will accompany it, so you know what to look forward to in the coming months. So in March, we will be going to Miami, and we will be leaving on a cruise from Port Miami on the Mariner of the Seas. And the Mariner was just recently refurbished. They have tons of really cool, innovative, new things on their ship, including bungee, trampoline things, water slides, there's an escape room, there's a few new venues. I think there's one, it's called the Bamboo Room. They have, it's like tropical themed. There's all kinds of really cool new stuff. And when we chose the cruise, we were actually between Mariner and Enchantment, which Enchantment was the cruise we just got off of in 2017 that we absolutely adored. But Mariner is just a little bit bigger of a ship, and it's a little bit newer. And with the refurb, we just couldn't resist. You know, it's a new experience. So we opted to go on Mariner. And it's a short cruise, it's a getaway cruise. So the first port is Coco Cay, and that's Royal Caribbean's private island. And when we go in March, their renovations for Perfect Day Coco Cay will not yet be complete, but we are crossing our fingers that the pier is ready so that we don't have to tender in. Because if you don't know, they previously had to put you on a smaller boat, a tender, to bring you into their island. But they are working to build a pier so that you can dock right at the island now. And if anybody watching has been there recently, I heard January was when the pier was opening. So if you've been there recently, let me know down below if it was open. Whenever you last went, what was the status of the construction? Because I read January, but we're also now at the end of January and I haven't seen anything on social media about it, so let me know. On Coco Cay, we actually rented a beach bed, which I don't know how new of a excursion that is for them, but the beach beds are essentially a scaled down version of the cabana. So we're going to be on the more quiet south side of the island. The beach is a little bit calmer back there, and it's a little more adult in my opinion, and we'll have a bar nearby. And our bed comes with the bed, obviously, 2 lounge chairs. I think we get a cooler of water, and then we get some drinks service, so they'll come and take our order. And I believe this is also around the floating bar, so there's one out in the water, which is really, really cool. And we are planning on bringing our own snorkeling gear and snorkeling around in the area. Last time we were there, we actually did the snorkeling excursion, but for Christmas we each got snorkel kits. So very exciting. I'm very, very excited for that because it's just gonna be a really nice, relaxing, peaceful day on our beach bed. The beach bed ran us about $125 for both of us. That's, you pay for the bed. And I think you can have up to 4 people on the bed, maybe 6, I can't remember, but I thought it was a very, very good deal because you get floating mats as well. You get floating mats, the loungers, yeah. So there's a lot that comes with the beach bed, and yeah, I think for the 2 of us, it's gonna be a very low-key, just really nice day. So that is super exciting. The day after Coco Cay, we are in Nassau, Bahamas, which is like that staple port that everyone goes to. Last time we were there on Enchantment, we actually did the Atlantis excursion, and it was a really, really great day. If you watch my enchantment video, I took quite a bit of footage there and we really loved it, but the excursion since has gone up in price. It's so expensive and we're not in Nassau all that long, so we didn't want to do Atlantis and not have as much time as we did the last time we went. So we've actually opted to just get off the ship for lunch and do some walking around and then get back on the ship and spend the rest of the day by the pool. So treating it as kind of a sea day. We want to do some of the activities on board and things like that. So I don't know, I've been to Nassau, we've been to Nassau quite a few times, and it is not my favorite port, but unfortunately it's like a staple in all of the Bahamas cruises. So in the future I think we're gonna try and avoid that, but yeah. So that's the plan for Nassau, just kind of a really low-key day. After that, we will be returning to Port Miami, and so it's just a short, it's technically I think a 3-day, no, it's a 4-day cruise. 3-day cruise? 4-day cruise. It's a short 4-day cruise, weekend cruise. Anyway, and from there, the fun is not going to end because we are actually going to be getting a rental car and driving to Disney World, and we will be in Disney World for 5 days. And normally when we get off a cruise, I'm sad because the cruise is over, we're going home, but this time it's gonna be just an incredible feeling to know that we're only halfway through our vacation and we're now going to Disney World. We actually canceled our Disney trip back in October because we moved over the summer and we had some family crisis going on with me, and we couldn't do it. We didn't have the money, we didn't really have the time, so we canceled our Disney trip back in October, and then we combined it with the cruise plan for March, and I'm very, very happy with the outcome. I'm so excited for this like dual vacation. We've never done, or I've never done anything like this. Brandon has, and he loved it. So we'll be in Disney for 5 days, like I said. We'll be doing a park every single day, so 4 days of parks. And then the first day we're gonna do like Disney Springs and go out to dinner. We have tons of stuff planned for Disney. We have all our fast passes booked, all of our meals are booked. Very exciting. So yeah, that will be just the best thing ever. Cruising and Disney, my two favorite things in one vacation. So now we're gonna talk about the upcoming content on the channel that pertains to this trip. So for the first time, I am going to be vlogging on our vacation. I never have vlogged on vacation before. I don't have a vlogging camera, so I think I'm just gonna use my phone. That should be fine, but yeah, I've never done it because I A, never think to do it, and B, I just feel like, oh, it's gonna take up so much of my time. But this trip, since it's so big and since I have this channel now, I just feel like vlogs would be a really cool type of content to get on here. So I have actually scheduled out to have 8 vlogs, so you'll get one for every day of our vacation in the week after we return. So I will be shooting the vlogs, obviously, in real time, but the editing will not take place until we get home. I won't be bringing my computer or anything like that. Before that, you will see a packing vlog. I'm gonna show you guys everything that we're bringing, all the cool stuff that we got for the trip. And I'm also going to work to get, I believe, a story time up on here before that as well. So I have content planned all throughout the month of February and March, pretty much every other week. On Sundays is my plan to get something up for you guys to see, and yeah, very, very exciting. The other thing that I'm planning on doing is a GoPro video like we always do on vacation. We do a GoPro video set to music, and there will be one for this trip as well, and that will come up after the vlogs. So lots of shooting and stuff going on while we're on vacation. Hopefully I remember to vlog. I'm gonna try my absolute hardest to get you guys a lot of content, because obviously this channel kind of builds as I go on vacation, and I am not a professional like travel agent or anything like that. So my job, I have a full-time 40-hour-a-week graphic design job, so all of my spare money goes into vacations. I love doing it. I would much rather spend my money on experience and travel than items. So I love it, but obviously content can only really be created if we're on a trip. So I'm gonna make the most out of this trip, and get as much on this channel as possible. The other couple things I'm doing are reviews of cruises. I have cruise critic reviews that are written out, but I'm gonna do some video reviews just because I know some people like to watch videos more than they like to sit and read through a review. And I don't know if I already said this, I have a rookie mistakes video that's gonna go up, which is kind of a story time. So that one is pretty good. Just a lot of really cool stuff, and I'm very excited about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry, I know how many times I said I was excited in this video, but I really am. I love the fact that I started this channel. It's just so fun. It like gets me excited about making videos again. Been doing YouTube since I was 14 years old, and sometimes you get into kind of like a funk where you just don't know what to do, and this has really brought me back to like loving to make videos and loving to make content. So very exciting. I said it again. Oh, okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are excited and want to see the I said excited again. If you guys want to see the upcoming content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when this stuff is going up. Again, if you have come over from my other channel, thank you for your continued support. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here, and I'm really excited for you to get to know me and see all of the cool new content that I'm going to get up on this channel. Thank you guys. I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye!